everyone, it's Joanne. Welcome to my channel. Today I have two orders. They're the same collection though. This one's from Peachy Cheap. It's the first time that I've ordered from them. I did cut it open, but I haven't looked at the contents. But I am so excited about this. Look, it's Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Lemon Twist. So this came with the 6x6 papers. Let's see. I want to get this off without destroying the packaging. I should have brought my X-Acto knife, but let me see if I can use these scissors. Yeah, that worked. So pretty. So this is a re-release, and of course I'm pretty new to scrapbooking, so I didn't have the originals, but let's take a look at the paper. Oh my gosh, this is the 6x8. How pretty. How stinking pretty. Oh my gosh, I love this. Look at these colors, guys. Oh my gosh. I am not going to be able to pick between these sides. I'm going to have to get another pack of this. So pretty. Soak up the sunshine. Oh my gosh. Every page just keeps getting better. I love that. Be sweet, be kind. So pretty. Look at the little bees. Do you see them? Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy I ordered this. Both sides are just absolutely gorgeous. Look at these. Look at the bees. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. And the cut aparts. Oh my gosh, 3x4s. Some more. And then the patterns start over. So I love that, because then I don't have to decide. I have one of each. So that's a good thing. Pieces popping out here. A couple pieces. I'll worry about that later. I got the bits. There's 60. Let me open this. Come on. Where are you? Here you are. Take a look at these. These are little. I like them little. Look at these. Oh my gosh. Can you see that? So pretty. Guys, I'm so excited about this. Little hearts. Oh my gosh. Look at these little pieces. I just love them. Look at that. So pretty. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Squeeze the day. Make more lemonade. That's cute. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Move those out of the way and here. More hearts. Oh, I like that. Very vintage. Very vintage. Love it. Love this most. What is this one? Oh, they're falling on my floor. Little clipboard. Butterfly. So pretty. Oh my gosh, I love these. Little tickets. Oh, I'm so happy I bought these. It looked like something I would absolutely love, and it's not disappointing at all. So there we go. And I think it was just like a heart that I dropped. And then I have the sticker book. There's the sticker book. That's what's on the inside. Let me see if I can get this open. The last sticker book I opened, I ruined the back cover. So I really don't want to do that again. If I can get this quickly, I will. All right, that side was easy peasy. Let's see if I can and get this side. There we go. All right, let me bring this up so you can see it a little better. I guess you can see it just fine there. Look how pretty, guys. Oh my gosh, I am in love with this collection. Absolutely in love. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Love the colors. So pretty. Sentiment strips, little tags. Ooh, sentiments in both colors, the teal. Love it. And some more of those. Oh, and some more. Look at this. Love it. And from this order, I did get the foam stickers. So here they are. They're pretty. I hope you can see all those. Are they in camera? Yeah. All right, that's order number 1. Okay, here's the second order, and it was a fight to get into the box, so I did open the side. I haven't looked. Alright, let me make sure that's straight. There we go. And let me get into it. I always want to keep this nice bag, but they they tape it down so well that it's hard to get into it. There we go. Maybe I can save this one. Pull everything out. The struggle is real, let me tell you. So what did I order here? I ordered the brads. I have tape stuck to me. Here's the brads. Love this collection. I got some mounting squares, repositional, because I don't have them, and I think I needed to get an order up to a certain amount to get free shipping. So why not get it in product? I was so close. These are my first Nuvo drops, and they are in, what color? Yellow Bird. I was hoping that would go well with this, and it looks like it might. I got the paper, the background paper. Hello. Take a look at this. So that I can do some layering without it just being white, right? So that's pretty. Glad I got that. And then this was the collector's essential kit. So let's see what's in here. Oh, I thought it was going to be all of the washi. It's just one of the washies, and that's okay. So that's kind of pretty. Oh. And the floral bits, here they are. Let me open those. Take a peek. There are 41 pieces that are hard to get out. So, lots of florals. I like that. It's not all lemon. I like those. Butterflies. And then we have lemons. Some more butterflies. I hope you can see them. Super pretty. A couple bees down here that I dropped. All right. Okay, and then I got the sticker sheet. Super pretty. So pretty. Like that. Oh, the chipboard. Are these the chipboard? Chipboard stickers. Yep. Those. Like those. 41 pieces. And then I got the 12 by 12 paper. So here we go. Is this the top? Maybe this is the top. Love it. Make sure I'm in frame. Oh, I'm so happy that I got the second set of paper in the 12 by 12. I just love this pattern with the black. So pretty. This is so pretty too. I don't know if the camera does it justice. The vibrance of the colors is just fabulous. So pretty. Oh, these will go really well. Super pretty. Love that. Absolutely love this collection. Journaling cards, the cut aparts. Some 4x3s. Super pretty. 4x4s. Super pretty. And then the 6x4 pocket cards. Super pretty. So I'm super excited to get started with this collection, and so happy I purchased it. Again, it's the Simple Vintage Lemon Twist. It's a re-release. It's new to me, so I am happy as can be to have this in my stash.